I love my home, and it seems so do a few unwanted guests that I have from time to time, like MOULD.
Ugh. Do you have any wet socks for me?
They're always there, even though you can't see them. Nasty allergens, like in pet fur. And pollen, they just love to waft in. Ah, dust mites, there you are. Virus and bacteria, right on time. Smoke and pollution, they're always trying to get in. Oh, odours. Hello. Luckily, Panasonic air conditioning includes an innovative technology called Nanoe X. It neutralises all of these unwanted pollutants, both in the air and on surfaces, with the touch of a button. My family are now breathing clean and healthy air 24 hours a day. Nanoe X, verified and approved by the National Asthma Council Sensitive Choice Program.
Ooh.